Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I want to show you how to put your BMW on service mode for the electric parking brakes. So when you replace those rear brake pads, you will find out that in order to replace the pads you need to release the electronic parking brakes, and simply just releasing the parking brakes does not do it. There's a service mode on these cars that you need to enter, and I'll show you how to do that. YOUCANIC Scanner, go to maintenance and then scroll to EPB, electronic parking brakes, then select BMW, go smart VIN, and then once the VIN is read, here we have a 2016 BMW 7 Series. You select special functions, and then you go to workshop mode, electronic parking brake. Now it's important though to read the code, to maybe go back to diagnostics, do a full scan, make sure there's no codes related to automatic hold brake, there's no codes related to the ABS, or because what that could lead is to you not being able to enter or activate the electronic parking brake release. But let's go ahead and select it here, and then it's telling you, giving you some instructions here. In other words, it's saying that hey, the DSC or the ABS is what controls your electronic parking brake. There's the automatic hold function as well. It uses those same motors and the same system. So if there's an issue with the automatic hold function, you might not be able to release, at least not through the scan tool. You might have to do manually at the rear brakes. But let's go ahead, and then what you need to do is you activate the installation position, and then once you're done, then you go ahead and come back in here and deactivate the installation position. Now keep in mind the car needs to be secured, because once you release the parking brakes, you don't want that car to roll away. And then down here at the bottom you have 1, 2, and 3, so they have to match these numbers here. You want to press 1 to activate the installation position, and it'll tell you release the parking brakes first. You use this release staff first, so the parking brake light is not on the dash. Press yes, and then it will activate the hold function first. But if that fails, if there's an issue with that, that's why system needs to be checked first. The parking brake might not release, so keep that in mind. And we'll also check to make sure that the parking brake have been released. The brakes are released, then it'll give you, let's say, service function finish. Press yes, and then remember to come back in here and deactivate the installation position by pressing 2 when you're done with replacing the brake pads. So that's it. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.